was actually having like a really, really good day today. Like I was in such a good headspace. The best that I have ever been in. And then I remember something, like a trauma that I never quite got over. Mufasa's death. That was like the first experience of loss, of grief, you know? So I decided to inflict more emotional abuse onto myself by becoming Scar. This is his karma. Literally like having a play around with like Halloween products, like special effects products, new products that landed on my desk, like amazing new palettes that landed on my desk that I thought were really appropriate for this kind of look. Now, originally, I wanted to be a she-wolf / werewolf, and then for some reason, I thought of Mufasa and Scar and that iconic scene, and I was like, I'm going to become Scar for Halloween. Like I was saying, this is just me playing around with makeup. This isn't the actual look. I will be filming a look a little later on in the week, so make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when this video is uploaded. So definitely stay tuned for that. Now I'm wearing all of this makeup. I've got liquid latex. I've got, what's it called? Liquid eyeliner, gel eyeliner, black eyeshadow, a lot of foundation, ashy color contour. I've got eyeshadow all up in my scalp, and I thought, what a great idea to demonstrate how to remove like a lot of makeup. Like a lot of makeup. This isn't water soluble paint. These products have waxes and oils formulated inside of them, so it's a little more difficult to remove than just watercolor paints that you use from the Halloween store. I thought it would be fun to create like get unready with me type of video, so if you'd like, please keep on watching. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are subscribed, then please turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's start off by peeling where in my head the hyenas got to Scar first. This is like the kill shot. Oh, this is nasty stuff, this liquid latex. I remember growing up in primary school, like I was the kid who covered herself in PVA glue just to like peel it off. And I would get letters sent home to my parents that I'm very wasteful. I waste school equipment and I'm not appreciative of it. Right, so I've taken my top off. It's just like one of those zipper ones, just so I can cleanse my skin and my neck and my chest, because we do have makeup on this area, as you can see. Another place that I have liquid latex is on my brow, and I'm starting to regret ever doing this. Ooh! Only one eyebrow. I don't know if you can see that. One eyebrow. So liquid latex can't be like reactivated with water. The best way is to peel it off very gently. And once I've removed the worst of the liquid latex, I'm going to go ahead and start dampening my face, because the cleanser that I will be using is water activated. So I'm using my face halo and a warm bowl of water to dampen my skin. Now, typically I would just splash water on my face in my bathroom in front of my basin, but since I'm in my studio and I do have a lot of electrical equipment, I have to do it this way. So if you are at home, of course, do it in the shower, do it in the sink, but I just had to do it like this so I can show you how I'm using this cleanser. I also highly recommend that if you are removing a lot of makeup, it doesn't necessarily have to be Halloween makeup, to wear a bandeau top, because it's so much easier to clean makeup on your chin, your jaw, and on your neck area as well. Moving on to actual cleanser, this cleanser removes everything. This is the Henriksen Nurture Wonder Feel double cleanser. This is what I like to call a modern cold cream. We haven't heard of cold creams in a while. I feel like oils have been, I guess, taking over, and cold creams have been not forgotten, but people don't realize how great they are at removing makeup. They are so good at removing makeup. And liquid latex, I am kicking myself for not using this product to shift the liquid latex from my skin. So if you do have sensitive skin and you're looking to, I guess, wear more special effects makeup during Halloween and you're worried about, having to take it all off at the end of the night, I highly recommend that you invest in this cleanser. I mean, not just for Halloween, but for every day. As you can see, it's made light work out of everything, like removing everything on my face. I'm going to quickly just dissolve my eye makeup by rubbing my fingers through my brows and over my lids and over my lashes to make sure that I've, I guess, dislodged the makeup from my eye area. I am going to do a second cleanse after I've wiped off the bulk of that cleanser and the makeup mixed together. And this second cleanse is to cleanse my skin. If you have a super dry skin type, you will love this cleanser because it leaves your skin feeling super supple. It's not going to make your skin feel really dry and tight. I find that when I use this cleanser, I use less moisturizer at night. So that's like a bonus. Now, this is the cloth that comes with the cleanser. And I use this at the end to ensure that I have removed everything, like every scrap of makeup from my face, my neck, everything. And because it is a bright white cloth, I can see when I still have makeup on my skin. And I did have quite a lot of makeup on my skin. So now I have removed it using the face cloth. And can you see how my skin looks like it's moisturized and glowy and hydrated and just like plump?
One eternity later.
I then take a silk scrunchie. This is the hack. It needs to be silk because it's kinder to your hair and it won't snag. I start by twisting my hair and then wrapping it around itself in a bun, and then I like to loop my scrunchie over twice so it isn't super tight, but it's secure enough to hold my hair throughout the night. I also finish off the rest of my skincare. This is the Henriksen Pure Nurture Facial Water. I like to spritz my skin very generously with this product, including my neck area. This has vitamin B5, and B5 is really good for skin turnover and repair, so that's why I like to use it. I'm also using the Banana Bright Eye Cream, also by Henriksen. You guys know that I use this eye cream, that I love this eye cream. Same goes for this serum as well, by Henriksen. If you are following me on Instagram, you would have seen me use this in a Insta story, Get Unready With Me, so I will leave it here in case you haven't. So I start off by using the Glow Cycle Retin-ALT Power Serum, and as you can see, it's purple, so this will help to instantly brighten your skin, and my skin definitely needs this. If you have a so this serum contains like a plant-based retinol alternative, which is why it's called Retin-ALT. Here, I'll show you. Retin-ALT. So if you do have a sensitive skin type, you can actually use this, which is great. So yeah, you can't say that I do not genuinely use and love Henriksen. Very, very consistent brand. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend you do so. Now this Transform Plus line, I like to use this when I need to refine my skin. So when my skin is looking a little rough and it needs to be smoothed out and polished. This will help improve the texture of your skin, both with like enlarged pores and also fine lines. Now I also like to use the sleeping cream. This also has a retinol alternative, so it's perfect for sensitive skin types. I also did an Insta Stories Get Unready With Me using this product, and it is just brilliant. If you do have sensitive skin, you will love this product right here. Now I'm going to use the Henriksen Transform Plus Goodnight Glow Retin-ALT Sleeping Cream. And I do take quite a bit, only because I work it onto my neck as well, because we can't forget this area. This product is purple and super brightening like the serum, and I'm just going to work that into the skin in an upwards motion. And just press it in.
then both products help with like fine lines and wrinkles, which is what I'm concerned with, because now when I go and blend my eyeshadows, I do this and I can see wrinkles. So maybe I should use a little bit more in these areas just in case. Oh gosh.
So that is literally what I do at night when I want to remove my makeup, and my focus, like my skin focus for that night, is to help my textured skin look nice and smooth and refined and just polished. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I look a lot different than when I first started this video, which is an amazing thing, because I feel so fresh and clean. Like, there is no words to describe how happy a shower, a good face cleanser makes me. You know, pampering my skin makes me so happy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And like always, I will have every single product that I have mentioned, from, you know, my face cleanser to my hair scrunchies, in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. And I look forward to seeing you all in a brand new video next week. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.